Costa Rica, a tropical paradise known for its lush and diverse life, holding 6% of all of Earth's biodiversity. Today, we head up into the mountains inland of the Pacific coast. We are searching for an elusive and elegant bird, the Resplendent Queztal. We finally see one. Jason of Waku Tours and I woke up early to travel 7,000 feet up to the mountains of Costa Rica to find this elusive bird in a small and amazing community called San Gerardo de Rota, settled in a cloud forest and renowned for its avian life. We're asking for directions how to get there.
You know how to get to San Gerardo de Rota, pal? Have you seen any quetzal lately? Yeah.
We traveled just outside of town to a spot off the road where Jason brings clients to hopefully get a glimpse of the Quetzal. The morning consisted of me aiming the camera at a branch that we thought was probable for a Quetzal to land on, then waiting, scanning the trees for any sign, which just left me with blank footage of tree limbs. I'm gonna be real bummed if we don't see a Quetzal. Of course, if I don't see one, you probably won't be watching this because I won't have anything to publish. With the morning sun warming up the cloud forest, it was time to head into town to see if we could get any information from locals. After hearing word of possible sightings at a local restaurant, we head to the fantastic and inviting Miriam's Quetzals. They not only had great coffee, but they also had a deck devoted to bird watching. Before we try out any of Miriam's food, we see if we could photograph some other birds while we wait for a Quetzal. With some great footage, but no sign of the Resplendent Quetzal, it's time to eat. But then... I can barely see its tail feathers, and that's it. We finally see one. After hours. It's amazing. We finally see one. But even with the bird in view, it's still elusive. We could only seem to get shots of its key feature, its long, elegant tail feathers. After patiently waiting and rolling for a long time, we finally catch a break. There he is, the male Quetzal in all his glory. His tail feathers make me feel as if I'm photographing a bird of paradise. And just when I thought it couldn't get better, a female shows up. Then they play. The female looks very similar to the male, but just like a lot of other bird species, she's a lot less colorful, and of course her tail feathers are not as long. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and help spread the word. And if you liked this episode, check out the episode where we explored a secret cave.